Good afternoon, everybody. Edward Kelly here again at 188 Debt Line. As always, answering your bankruptcy questions and continuing throughout this pandemic to hammer home the point that you may be able to use that stimulus to take care of all of your debt and get a fresh start out of this difficult situation. So, as I've said, stimulus generally $1,200 per person, $500 for each kid. Given the bankruptcy fees, which I know I personally and many attorneys are discounting based on circumstances, out of sympathy for what's going on with everybody, may allow you to do a Chapter 7. You may have the fee and you may not be able to have it at any other time if you're caught up in a vicious debt circle. In addition, trustees are being forgiving. Your income going down may help you to qualify for a 7 if you weren't able to. In addition, if you're behind on your home or your vehicle, then those get exposed to risk in a bankruptcy. However, I know for a fact right now most mortgage lenders and car lenders are allowing you to defer payments and to forgive late payments because of what's going on. So those three factors alone are things you will almost never see. It may allow you to do a Chapter 7 at a time you couldn't do it any other way. In addition, for most people in this situation, you're not going to lose anything. You know, the way liquidation works is you get rid of all your unsecured debts. You keep your secured debts if you want to keep the collateral, or if you want to give up the collateral, they become unsecured debts. In exchange, they liquidate all the assets that they determine you aren't allowed to keep. Now, you're allowed to keep all your normal possessions, your home and your vehicle, provided you're current on the payments, your car up to $7,500 in value, and in Oklahoma, your home basically unlimited with some restrictions. So the only things you have to worry about, extra motorcycles, boats, things like that. And most of you in this situation probably don't have to worry about that. So again, I just want to stress, in this difficult time, there is a silver lining for people in serious financial trouble. You've got a stimulus check. You've got an opportunity to be able to take care of that bankruptcy and maybe pay $1,400 or $1,500 and get rid of $50,000 or whatever your debt is for good and get a true fresh start. So, as always, you can reach me with your specific questions at 188 Debt Line, edward@worthlawoffice.com, wirthlawoffice.com, or on Facebook at Oklahomans for Debt Relief. Please stay safe and healthy, and I'll talk to you soon.